Hello. Let's learn about conditional formatting. Sometimes you're given a bunch of sales data like this Excel sheet here. Wow, this is overwhelming. But I'm in sales and I need to be in a meeting with customers to sell stuff, so I don't have time to do all this studying. Well, let me show you how to get quick insights from this data using conditional formatting. In the sales column, let's find out the highest sales data and the lowest. Select on the first box, then use a handy shortcut of Shift, Control, down arrow to select the whole column. Then I recommend memorizing the next shortcut, which is Control Q. Control Q brings up the quick analysis options. I'll hover over the data bar selection first and you can see. As you notice, the bars get larger with the sales numbers. You can use color options, icon sets, but let's format the top 10% of all these numbers here. So selecting on top 10%, Excel automatically gives it a red color and highlights all the top 10% in the sales column. Well, let's reselect that sales column. And let's go up to the Home tab if you haven't selected. And then in here you have conditional formatting. Now here you have actually more options to choose from. You can get a lot more things done, different color data bars and colors, icon sets, different icon sets, etc. But let's go up to the top 10 and bottom rules and let's choose bottom 10%. And for right now we will choose yellow. Okay. So Excel now has the top 10% in red and the bottom 10% in yellow. Well, this doesn't make too much sense. So let's select the column one more time. And let's manage the colors. I don't like the red because it means it's like in debt or danger. So let's go to Manage Rules. And you can select on what you want to do. So top 10%, you can edit the rule or just double click it. Format only the top or bottom ranked values. That's correct. And we'll go down here. This is our preview, so we'll format this color. And you can choose number, font, border, fill. And let's choose font first. And let's pick a white color. Okay. And we can go for fill. Let's choose a dark green for the top 10%. I like that. That stands out pretty well. Okay. Let's switch up the bottom 10% while we're here too. So click on the format and let's see here. Let's make this a darker color font, black. And we can do the fill. Let's try red for bottom 10%. I think that works. Preview looks good. Okay. Okay. Now Excel has very nice formatting on the text for the bottom 10% and the top 10%. So Excel takes a condition like top 10% and then the bottom 10% and formats it with a color or bars or icons. You can get them in the quick bar using Control Q or go up to the conditional formatting section. Now let's say we want to add other things with conditional formatting. You can choose, we can put data cells, you can put icons. But look, it gets a little crowded over there, so we really don't recommend you using more than two. So let's click out of two of these here. 1, 2, and now we have the data that we're looking for. I'll highlight it and ready to go. The top 10% and the top and the bottom 10% in conditional formatting in Excel. Thanks for watching.